Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check that your head unit accepts USB audio or external dongles, and that the USB port supplies power. Once done, plug the Bluetooth USB dongle firmly into the car's USB or into a powered 12V to USB adapter. Make sure the car ignition is in accessory or on so the port powers. Then set your phone to discoverable and enable both media and phone audio. This prepares devices for pairing. You now move into pairing. Switch the stereo to the USB or Bluetooth input so it can discover new devices. Once the dongle broadcasts, search for its name on your phone and select it. Make sure to confirm any PIN shown on both devices or accept the pairing request. After pairing, allow media, phone, and contact access so music and calls route correctly. Once connected, test with short audio and a quick call. If audio is low, adjust phone and stereo volumes to match. Finish by verifying both music playback and call quality. Cue a song and place a short call to confirm microphone and speaker levels. Once done, set your phone to auto-connect so pairing happens automatically each drive, and secure the dongle to prevent vibrations or intermittent contact. If things go wrong, make sure to reboot the phone and the head unit, then delete and repair the device. This clears cached profiles and usually fixes handshake or audio routing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.